Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
While he was passing in the northern direction, all the celestial denizens known as Charans and Gandharvas, as well as the Munis and the damsels of the heavenly planets, prayed and offered him all respects. The ocean offered him oblations and a place of residence. It is understood that Kapil Muni first went towards the Himalayas and traced the course of the river Ganges, and he again came to the delta of the Ganges at the sea now known as the Bay of Bengal. The ocean gave him residence at a place still known as Ganga Sagar, where the river Ganges meets the sea. That place is called Ganga Sagar Tirtha, and even today people gather there to offer respects to Kapildev, the original author of the Sankhya system of philosophy. Unfortunately, this Sankhya system has been misrepresented by an impostor who is also named Kapil. But that other system of philosophy does not tally with anything described in the Sankhya of Kapil in the Srimad Bhagwatam.